Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at an 8.5 by 24 charcoal gray enclosed trailer with the Blackout package. There is the jack coupler and safety chains at the front. This V-nose comes with 24-inch Stone Guard along the bottom and tip of the V-nose. There's a gray screwed exterior. This trailer does come with two 52K axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer does have our teardrop Stone Guard fenders. Coming along to the rear of the trailer, there is a spring-assisted loading ramp. This enclosed trailer does come with LED brake lights, tie-down points at the bottom of your trailer. There are vents at the back and front portion of the enclosed trailer. This trailer does come with 12-volt dome lights. There is a 32-inch passenger side door with a step and bar lock. Next to your door is the second 12-volt dome light. This trailer has 3/4 plywood walls and 3/8 plywood flooring. This trailer does come in charcoal gray. We have our door from the outside. There is a step. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer with the Blackout package. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.